man Levi with Hola Tech.
Awesome.
The
Hi,
Spanish
everybody.
Vietnamese company. How about that?
Exactly.
So you was telling me last time, we just had a little really short interview. We had to start over, but you was telling me about some of the projects you guys, you're based in Hanoi?
Yep, exactly. We're based in Hanoi.
Okay. So you said you had some good gaming projects or some other projects that you're working on. Tell me a little bit about your outfit and what you guys are doing.
Yeah, so we've built a couple of Telegram games in recently because as we've done, there's a lot of trend going on Ton, and people are trying to build up their community as well as being to have another products in order to build up the community and then onboard those players to their existing products. So it's like a win-win, both on the community engagement as well as being able to bring in more players in their existing products. So some of the projects we've built is either a horse racing betting games, to which is purely tapping based, and we have done a recent job of a game called Fagabi, which got over 400K monthly users as of right now currently.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah, that game is basically a casino themed game itself where user can be able to tap on the screen. They can also be able to play mini games such as casino rolls, dice, and then later on, we were projected to make it into a NFT oriented. So it's not going to be able to be like tone oriented, but it's going to be about more like NFT, which is why it doesn't have the tokenomics yet.
Okay. Are you guys just doing that for third parties to allow them to gain more traction as far as their main apps or their main services or products that they sell, I guess?
Yeah, as of right now, the game itself, which is a very early stage of products, they're leaning towards on building even more products inside the ecosystem, supposedly.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you
sure.
have some graphics for us? We want to see some of the gameplay, man.
Yeah, also they got you here.
All right.
Damn, I gotta organize myself too much. Here, man. So this is the game itself, very self-explanatory.
So this is on the Telegram. So if you get
Yeah.
your Telegram app, you go to you add this channel. Was it?
Yeah. So the
How you
channel.
pronounce it? Fake baby or fact baby?
Yeah. Bakabi bot.
Fakabi
Yeah.
_ bot.
Exactly.
And then you go on there, you click
Yep.
on game. Do you have to buy any tokens or anything first?
You don't really need to buy anything. You can just do social tasks or play.
Oh, okay. So you just go
game.
down the list and just check on like, add me to X, do this, and then
Yeah.
you get some more tokens. Like and retweet, you get some more tokens. Join
Exactly.
the Telegram, you get some more tokens, and then you get to use those tokens in the gameplay.
You can be able to claim your account as well too. Here, it can be able to be claimable every Monday.
Oh, so you claim those every Monday?
Yep, exactly.
So you get automatic tokens every Monday, or you got to do more tasks?
It can be able to earn automatically, or you can earn it through a attendance system of daily attendance, or you can attend the game itself, such as Lucky Dice or Lucky Spin. Let's say that for Lucky Spin, I can be able to earn like 0.25 or 1 ton. Here, let me try and spin it. There I earn like 50 points. That's not
Oh, so
enough.
you won 50 of the Fekabi tokens.
Yeah, exactly.
And the other one, but you can also win Tone.
Yeah, you can also win Tone here.
Oh, okay. So Tone, and people that don't know that Tone is the native token to the Telegram app.
Yeah, exactly.
So Tone is a.
And over here, you can bid your points in order to play dice, roll dice. Here, let me try and bid a small.
How many spins do you get a day?
You'll get one, but on daily attendance, we also give out spins as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
and then the dice, you get one dice roll, or how many dice rolls?
You are going to be able to use your dice based upon the amount of points you have. So like I got 1000K.
Oh, okay. So you use the points to you can use those for your spin or for your dice rolls. Okay, got it.
Yeah, it's a multiplayer game too as well. So like small is 26 players betting on small right now.
Lucky dice. So what do I have to hit, or what do you have to hit?
So small is below 11. Look
Oh,
at
okay.
these three dice, right? If it
All right, I got
calculates
that.
to 11, yeah, I just win small here. I want to go all in with small
So
again.
it's kind of like an over under type of game.
Yeah. We're projecting to add in a little bit more spices to the mini games as of right now because there are only two mini games supposedly. We need to build it even more just to keep the player engaged. Yeah.
Nice.
Fuck it.
So this can go. You can keep going as well as long as you have some faculty tokens, right?
Yeah, you can just
Oh
basically
wow.
keep on going. I'm just gonna bet everything.
I'm
Why
gonna
not?
bet it all.
Yeah. Can't end or lose.
Oh my gosh. Interesting.
Yep. I win
And
it
so
back.
you guys rolled this out like how long ago?
It's been out since 1 month ago.
Okay. And then you
Yeah.
have you have a couple more look like you're gonna roll out the
Yeah.
jackpot and the
Yeah.
slots.
Jackpot and 77 slot
Oh
over here.
wow.
Most of this game is going to be very fast to build. It took us only 2 weeks to 3 weeks just to build these sort of games out.
Oh
So
wow.
yeah,
You guys have a team. How many is on your dev team?
on our dev teams, there's more than 50.
Oh, okay. Well, no
Yeah,
wonder you can spit them out in a couple weeks. 50 people on the game.
yeah. We have already got the source code already available for usage. So as of right now, if one of our partners is trying to copy it and then release something for their own, then it would be very easy for them to reach out and then for us to build it for them. So it cuts down the process even more.
Nice. So you can actually convert these into the tone, the native token, or how do you get the tone token other than the spin?
You can also here, if I remember correctly, where is it? Yeah, as of right now, I think that the only tone you'll be able to get is from the lucky spin. But maybe down the road, the jackpot and the 77 selling slot will be able to reward you with those stuff too.
Nice. Well, there's a bunch of these that's rolling out with these tone mini app games, man. They're just coming. They're coming
Yeah,
hot and heavy. I think they, you know, you've heard of the dogs and the cats, and
yeah.
I think they got the goats coming next.
Hell, they're gonna run the whole circadian rhythm again with those animals.
They're gonna go through all the animals, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man.
I haven't seen
So
anybody do
how
cars.
long have you been with Hola Tech, Levi, and what else is going on with you?
It's been 2 years since I've been with Hola Tech, and as of right now, my position is head of partnerships, just trying to expand the company strategy as well as alliance, both internally and externally from the global scale. We already got some of our mates down in Dubai, and we were trying to have our connection and being able to connect the technologies that we have as well as the technologies that most people around the world who are doing better and who are living inside the blockchain HubSpot. And in order for us to learn more about how they would approach those typical Web3 projects and then be able to bring back to our own company or maybe just share to to a lot of company in Vietnam because as of right now we're very good with technologies for the blockchain itself in Vietnam, and we want to be better. We want to stand side by side or even better with a lot of the new tech coming into play every week right now. So that's really my goal right now.
Yeah, so man, you guys are right in the right place at the right time with these mini app games. This is
Yeah.
I swear I can't even keep up, man. I'm not a gamer, but I've actually tried to get up to speed here the past couple of weeks, because
If
everybody's telling me that's hot right now.
if you remember correctly, ever since the incident that Trump got shot,
Yeah.
yeah, we were thinking of the idea of making a Telegram tap based game where if you tap the screen, Trump is gonna dodge a bullet.
Oh my gosh. Well, that's be a funny idea.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But what else? What else do you have working on that you could show me? I know some of the stuff is still proprietary, kind of private till you launch it. So
I think that for the supposed game that are nearly about to come up is a game called Crypto Rabbit Hole. It's a it's a traditional game where you will be able to play it, such as when you play games like Yu-Gi-Oh or Hearthstones, like those sort of games.
mhm.
We're projecting on building the game itself. I think one more week or 2 more weeks we'll be able to finish the whole deal and then public it all out. But for now, I will need to keep it a secret. I don't want to get in trouble.
Yeah, I
I don't
know
want to
you're
get
working
sued.
on it. Pretty good, man.
What I do can show is the screenshot for the game itself here. So rabbit hole. All right, can you see the screen?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the game itself. We're trying to port it into a standalone versions in the later stage, but as of right now, we're building up the tapping game for them. So it's a way for people just to learn blockchain if they're a newcomer or entry level players. They want to learn crypto, but there's so many things that people need to learn and so many resources, so people cannot differentiate whether which content creator is legit or not. So this game serves as a purpose for them to even play and then learn at the same time for newcomers.
Ah, okay, I get it.
Yeah,
So it's kind of it looks like a card slash NFT game, but you're actually learning about crypto at the same time.
yeah. That's what the visions of our partners in Australia is. So the founders, George and Ivan, they were they were thinking of a way to just teach people cryptocurrency, even their kids, in a very funnable way. Because if a lot of teenagers or a lot of people who are trying to learn cryptocurrency without no teacher or without no mentor whatsoever, is going to feel lost.
But I tell you, I've been at it 5 years and I still get lost in some of the stuff. I tell you, it's
Yeah,
I'm still going down the rabbit hole.
exactly. That's why, hence the name. That's
Yeah,
hence the name.
because it's evolving.
Exactly. Every
It's
day
still
there's new tech coming in. There's new chain coming in, and there's new way to build up a project. So it's going to be a never-ending cycle, I suppose.
well, how many of those projects have you launched so far?
For the tapping games,
Yeah,
see, I think it was six
you've
now.
done 6 already, and they've
Yeah,
only just came out this year, right?
yeah. It's only came out during this year. It's like
Wow,
6 game in a span of 3 months.
wow. So some of them you're spending a few months on, some of them you're spending a few weeks on, and they're just popping out left and right. Wow.
Sure, if I can be able to share you some of the portfolio, I just literally created. I just literally created this portfolio for the Telegram application with built just so people and other clients can come in, they can be able to take a look at it. 6 game. Where is it? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. So as I already mentioned, the Unicorn Galaxy horse racing games, the Fakabi one. Oh yeah, here's a cool thing about this
And
game is
just to
that
clarify, you're saying Fakabi.
Yeah,
We're
Fakabi.
not using any profanity.
Yeah, the game is
We don't want to get dinged on YouTube.
yeah,
But yeah, Fakabi. Okay.
yeah, Fakabi. So as you can see here, the number of user is very good. We use the bot just to check the daily users as well as the monthly users more easily.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is just the very first basic game we've built in the past when it comes to the tapping game. Very first original game we've released. And here are some of the games that are similar in place, just very similar.
Chicken combat for real?
Yeah. I told you we got to go through the whole annual
Oh my
cycle.
gosh. I'm just laughing. Some of these concepts that come out are just
Yeah.
really funny.
So one of the last thing is actually a centralized bot for the Soul chain.
You know, I was in District 6 a few years back, and I actually seen some chicken combat here in Ho Chi Minh City. The real chicken combat.
Yeah, you got to be careful. Cop is gonna bust you. I swear. I
I
think
I
it's
stumbled
illegal.
upon that area and I was like, what are these guys doing? Man, there's about 100 guys out there and it was actually battling chickens. I was like, oh my God, this is some wild stuff.
There is one
So,
way to go to prison. I
yeah.
think the cop is still hunting him.
Oh my gosh. They don't have that in Hanoi, do they?
Definitely, they have.
Open chicken combat.
I think they play underground supposedly.
Yeah,
Most
well,
of the shady stuff.
these people, when I was, this has been about 5 or 6 years ago, they didn't care. They were like out in the open with it. And I was like, wow, this is some stuff you'd never see in America.
Exactly.
So, but yeah, very interesting. But yeah, did you have anything else for us, my man? I know you get a busy guy. I don't want to take up too much of your time.
Yeah, I really don't have anything to say as of right now, except just
Sure you do. You're Levi Loc. You got a lot to say, man.
yeah. Yeah, except thank you, Terrence, for being a wonderful host and then inviting me again. I know that the last meeting has been short, but yeah, this meeting allows me to demonstrate fully what the current trend for the game itself and what our vision for our company are and myself too. So overall, it's still a very great channel experience for me, and I hope that viewers can actually learn something and be able to take use from the meeting and the interviews that we're having right now, Terrence.
Man, thanks for coming on, man. And get some sleep.
Yeah, I really need to hit the sack right now. Yeah, damn, I really need to hit the sack.
Getting too many meetings there, buddy.
Yeah.
So, all right, man. Well, I appreciate you showing what you have, man. You guys got an awesome portfolio and some awesome games coming out. And I'm definitely gonna try to see if I can win me some tone coins.
Awesome. You have a beautiful day, Terrence.
All right. Thanks so much,
Awesome.
Levi.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.